Today, I'm sharing 10 powerful beauty tips for skincare that can completely change the way your skin looks and feels if you stay consistent. These tips are simple, effective, and suitable for almost every skin type. First, cleanse your face gently twice a day. Your skin should never feel tight or irritated after washing. Use a mild cleanser and massage it softly with your fingertips. Harsh scrubbing damages your skin barrier and leads to breakouts, redness, and early aging. Second, always remove makeup before going to bed. Sleeping with makeup clogs pores, causes acne, and speeds up skin aging. Even if you are tired, take a few minutes to properly cleanse your face so your skin can breathe and repair itself overnight. Third, moisturize every single day, even if your skin is oily. When your skin is properly moisturized, it balances oil production and looks smoother and healthier. Apply moisturizer on slightly damp skin to lock in hydration. Fourth, never skip sunscreen. Sun exposure causes dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Apply a broad spectrum sunscreen every morning, even on cloudy days or when staying indoors near windows. Fifth, drink enough water throughout the day. Hydration from the inside is just as important as skincare products. When your body is well hydrated, your skin looks plumper, clearer, and more radiant. Sixth, avoid touching your face too often. Your hands carry dirt and bacteria that transfer to your skin and cause breakouts. Touch your face only when necessary and always with clean hands. Seventh, exfoliate gently 1 or 2 times a week. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and helps your products absorb better. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin barrier, so keep it gentle and limited. Eighth, pay attention to your pillowcases and towels. Dirty fabrics collect oil, sweat, and bacteria that can trigger acne. Change your pillowcase at least once a week and use a clean towel for your face. Ninth, get enough sleep every night. While you sleep, your skin repairs itself. Lack of sleep leads to dull skin, dark circles, and breakouts. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep for healthy skin. 10th, remember that your lifestyle shows on your skin. Eat more fruits and vegetables, reduce sugar and processed foods, and manage stress. Skincare products help, but healthy habits are what truly create long-lasting glow. If you stay consistent with these 10 beauty tips, your skin will gradually become clearer, healthier, and more radiant. Skincare is not about instant results, but about daily care and patience.